Hello students, in the previous lesson of binary logic, we learnt about the number systems and the conversion of numbers from one system to another. In this particular session, we will be learning about the character coding system and we will identify the logic gates. We will learn about the different types of logic gates. Now we will talk about the character coding system. These are the three basic character coding systems that we use. The first one is ASCII, second one is ISCII, and the third one is Unicode. So we will talk about these one by one. ASCII is American Standard Code Information. So ASCII value for A to Z. ASCII number system, it is a standard number system that understands a particular character set, and it uses the combination of these characters to form a number. So if we talk about the conversion from the basic alphabets, basic characters to the ASCII numbers, it has a code, it has a particular code for every character. So for small digit A, it is 97. The A to Z letters start from 97 and ends to 122 because we have 26 letters. Before that, we have already covered the capital letters. Capital A starts from 65. So the every character, every letter, every number digit that we have in our keyboard, in our number system, that will be having a unique ASCII value, and this code would be used by the computer system to understand what it means. So when we write A, the small letter A in our program as a value of any particular variable, the computer understands it as 97. Okay, so 97 is given as the input and this is the letter, and suppose we have to talk about the fourth letter from here, it would be D, so it would be 100. So that is how the system understands. It takes the code value, if it is in the ASCII format, from the every character that we have entered, it would be having a unique ASCII code for it and it would be using the same. So next is ISCII. ISCII is a Indian script code for information interchange. This coding scheme is used for Indian script and its symbols, and it is possible to define a syllable boundary for Indian script word. ASCII is an American standard code for information interchange, and ISCII is Indian script code. Indian script code was created by ISO, and it covers the Indian languages and Indian symbols also. But then we have the Unicode number system, Unicode character set. It was developed to represent characters from a wide range of languages, and it can thus represent characters from English, French, Greek, Korean, etc. All these languages. It takes the ASCII codes and it adds other codes also. It keeps on adding different codes, and it goes on to uses the numbers after 122 also and after 500, 700 also to have a different unique particular code for the other characters and other symbols that are used in all these different languages. So Unicode is commonly used by all the countries, all the systems. That is why it is called Unicode, and these are the common codes for everybody. Everybody can use it, and the numbers keeps on growing. Now we will talk about the logic gates. As we have seen that there are different calculations required again in different types of number systems, we will see how what is the output when we are multiplying these digits by different digits or by same digits. If these are specially used in the binary number system only, we will see that when, I have just told you, when we multiply 1 by 1, so what is the output? When we add 1 and 0, what will be the output? So output would depend on the type of gate that we are using. What are the gates? First of all, gates are the different calculation methods. Those are used in the digital circuits. Those are assembled in a system. So these gates would let us know what would be the output of a particular operation. So basic logic gates are AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR. So these are the basic types of gate. These three, AND, OR, NOT, are the basic operations. and NAND and NOR, XOR and XNOR are the combination of operations or the complementary or supplementary of the operations. So first of all we will learn about the basic operations, those are AND, OR and NOR. So AND, first of all, what is AND? As the name specifies, AND is first and second. So for example, we take input, the variables that we have used here would be A and B. We will talk about the different values of A and B, and the output here will be using as C. So C would be A and B. AND is represented as a dot in this logic gates, and it means multiplication. If we talk in simple terms, it would mean multiplication. So you will have to get the output as a multiplication of these numbers. So 0 into 0, when 0 is multiplied by 0, what do you get? You get 0. When 1 is multiplied by 0, you get 0. When 0 is multiplied by 1, you get 0 again, but when 1 is multiplied by 1, you get 1. So in the AND gate, output would be 1 only if A and B is 1. Both A and B are 1, then you will be getting the output as 1. So you can remember it on tips that in AND gate it is simple, and that is why the name is kept to be AND, that if A and B both, now this AND is the simple word AND that we use in our English language, and the name which is AND, this comes to be 1, the output comes to be 1 when both A and B are 1. So this is the simple calculation for the AND gate, and how do you achieve it? You get it by multiplying the A and B. Then we have OR gate. Now OR gate, as the name specifies, the OR gate produces an output of logic 1 if at least one of the input is logic 1. So either A or B is 1. So OR, as the name specifies, either A or B, if it is 1, then the output would be 1. So how do you achieve it? You achieve it by adding the two values. If you add 0 plus 0, it would be 0. If you add 0 plus 1, it would be 1. If you add 1 plus 0, it would be 1 again. And if you add 1 plus 1. Now as I was telling you that what happens in binary is when you add 1 and 1, it is 1 in OR. Mind it that in OR only we are doing 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. We will see what happens in the other gates, but because it is OR gate and we have already learned that either A or B is 1. If any of these two is 1, then the output would be 1. So when it comes to a situation where both of them are 1, the output would be 1 only. That is why this is OR gate. The next we have NOT gate. NOT operation is what? It is simple. If the input is 0, output is not 0. If it is not 0, what would it be? It would be 1, because there are only 2 digits in the binary number system. If the input is 1, the output would be 0. It would be not 1. So how do you remember it? Not is not the input. If the input is 0, output is not 0. If it is not 0, it is 1. If the input is 1, the output would be not 1. It would be 0. So simply the complement. You can understand that the NOT operation, the NOT gate is just the complement of the input. If it is 0, it would be 1. If it is 1, it would be 0. Then we have the NOR operation. What does NOR mean? Now NOR, as you can see, the name is NOR. NOR is a combination of NOT OR. So the output would be completely opposite of what we got in the OR operation. अगर OR में आउटपुट 1 था तो NOR में 0 होगा, अगर OR में आउटपुट 0 था तो NOR में 1 होगा. Simply the opposite, not OR. So what was the OR operation? Either A or B, if it is 1, the output would be 1. So in the NOR operation, what would be the completely opposite of OR? That if none of the A or B is 1, then only the output would be 1. If any of the input becomes 1, then output would be 0. स्पेशली यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए कि और ऑपरेशन जो था ये नॉर उसका कम्प्लीटली उल्टा है। और ऑपरेशन में हमने देखा था कि कोई भी एक और या तो A और B, इफ़ एनी ऑफ देम इज़ 1 तो आउटपुट जो है हमारा वो 1 हो जाएगा। लेकिन नॉर ऑपरेशन में ना तो A 1 हो ना तो B 1 हो तो हमारा आउटपुट 1 होगा। सो इवन इफ एनी वन ऑफ द वैल्यू इज़ 1 द आउटपुट वुड बी 0। दोनों हो जाती हैं 1 तो भी 0 ही होगा, लेकिन कोई एक भी हो जाती है तो 0 होगा। अगर दोनों इनपुट वैल्यू 0 होंगे तब ही सिर्फ उसी केस में आउटपुट जो है वो 1 होगा। सो नीदर A nor B should be 1 if the output has to be 1. That is the NOR operation. It is the opposite of the OR operation. Then we have NAND operation. NAND में भी देखिए this is the combination of NOT and AND. As the name is NAND, it is the combination of NOT and AND. So NOT AND जिसमें AND नहीं होगा। AND में हमने क्या देखा था कि अगर A and B दोनों 1 होंगे तो ही जो आउटपुट है हमारा वो 1 होगा। NAND में क्या होगा, अगर A and B दोनों 1 होंगे तब हमारा आउटपुट 1 नहीं होना चाहिए, बाकी केसेस में होगा। It is simple. It is just the complementary of AND operation. When you use N in the starting, so these gates, as I told you, the AND, OR and NOT, these are the basic operations and the other gates are formed by the combination of these operations. So यहाँ पे हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि NOT का combination कर दिया है AND के साथ, NOT AND, अगर AND नहीं होगा तो हमारा आउटपुट 1 आएगा। ये ध्यान रखिए कि whatever the name is, we are talking about the output to be 1. हमें आउटपुट 1 के बारे में बता रहा है, जो हमारा नाम है वो ये बता रहा है कि आउटपुट किस केस में 1 होगा। सिंपली एंड के नाम से हमें क्या पता लगा कि आउटपुट कब 1 होगा, जब एंड होगा। A और B दोनों अगर 1 होंगे तो आउटपुट 1 होगा। अगर आप ये ध्यान रखें कि नाम से हम आउटपुट के 1 होने की बात कर रहे हैं, आउटपुट निकालने की नहीं, आउटपुट के 1 होने की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इट वुड बी वेरी वेरी इजी टू लर्न। और में आउटपुट कब 1 होगा, जब या तो A या तो B, A और B 1 होगा तो आउटपुट 1 होगा। कोई भी एक होना चाहिए, दोनों हो तो भी चलेगा। नॉर में क्या होगा कि ना तो A ना तो B, और का उल्टा है, अगर नहीं होगा तो ही जो आउटपुट है वो हमारा 1 होगा। और अब नैंड ऑपरेशन में हमने क्या देखा कि A और B जब दोनों एंड में 1 नहीं होंगे तो ही उस केस में हमारा आउटपुट 1 होगा। अगर दोनों 1 हो जाते हैं तो आउटपुट 1 नहीं होगा। तो when A is 0 and B is 0, output is 1. When A is 0, B is 1, output is 1, because दोनों तो 1 नहीं है, एक ही 1 है। थर्ड केस में क्या हुआ, A 1 हो गया, B 0 हो गया, अभी भी दोनों 1 नहीं है, इसीलिए आउटपुट हमारा 1 ही है। जब A और B दोनों 1 हो गए लास्ट केस में, और ये हमारा नैंड ऑपरेशन है, दोनों 1 नहीं होने चाहिए, तो इसमें हमारा आउटपुट जो है वो 0 आ जाएगा। So this is how we calculate, this is how we add, this is how we multiply numbers using the gate operation in the number system. So that is all about the binary logic. I hope you were able to understand it. Thank you so much.